Today we're visiting one of my favorite places and someplace that the Recreational Aircraft Foundation has been pivotal in making available to all pilots. With a generous 3,000-foot strip and wide margins, it is accessible to a variety of general aviation aircraft. North Fox Island is part of the Beaver Island State Wildlife Research Area and consists of all or parts of Beaver, Garden, High, Hog, North Fox, and South Fox Islands. These islands were either never settled or had logging activity and then reverted back to the state to escape tax bills. In the latter case, the land was allowed to grow back to its natural state. The islands themselves are divided among two counties and are, as a result, managed from two different offices. North Fox itself is completely undeveloped with the exception of a runway. Even dispersed camping is not permitted to reduce human impact on the natural state of the island. From the air, you can see two prominent features. First, behind the cowl in this shot, there is a large ledge that stretches down the bulk of the island. Below this ledge is a swampy area that's difficult to hike in. Second is a large hill that you can hike to. I've read that these islands were created by glacial till. Indeed, the Great Lakes themselves exist due to the weight of the ice sheets depressing the terrain and creating the lakes we see today as a result. This process continues today as the Earth rebounds and century after century the Great Lakes get a little more shallow. Unrelated to that rebound, the water levels in the lake change seasonally, with recent lows in 2013 and highs in 2020 resulting in a much different amount of beach around the island being exposed. Even today, in 2022, the different water level compared to a few years ago is obvious. This shot from 2019 shows no beach and a few meters of dirty water ringing around the island as small waves cause erosion. During the summer, the water is indistinguishable from clear blue tropical waters in the Florida Keys or other similar locations. This is the result of an invasive species called zebra mussels. These filter feeders clear up the water and make it look beautiful, but cause tremendous harm to the native species by consuming nutrients, displacing native mollusks, and making it more difficult for native fish to survive. There are so many of them, in fact, that the entirety of Lake Michigan is filtered by them every 2 weeks or so.
Okay, on the way to Beaver. Just got to get some chicken. Forgot to get chicken. So we're going to make some kabobs tonight. Need to get over there early. It's about 10:30. And get those chopped up and marinating, and that'll be our dinner tonight. Beaver Island traffic mall, 81 Whiskey Tango, 7 miles to the south inbound landing, Beaver.
Beaver Island traffic, cleaner 78 golf on the back taxi for runway 9, Beaver Island.
Busy day here today. Sure is pretty though. And Beaver Island traffic, 81 Whiskey Tango, turning final, runway 09, Beaver.
And out for you in a little bit.
Beaver traffic, 81 Whiskey Tango is off the runway, and I inadvertently greased it on, so I used up the one good landing for the day, so don't feel too badly if you guys bounce.
McDonald's is the year-round grocery store of choice here. Easy to get everything I needed and head immediately back to North Fox.
And North Fox Island, Mall 81 Whiskey Tango, turning final, runway 07, North Fox.
into North Fox. Is there any other traffic behind you?
Nobody making calls, nobody on the ADSB.
Wonderful. Thank you, sir. Have a great day. Love your camp. Hey, how's that Starlink treat you?
You know, I'm going to work here for the rest of the week. I'm getting about 100 down and 10 or 15 up.
Is that the special mobile one for boats and aviation?
So the boat one is like $5,000 a month, and it's a 3-dish system, and it's crazy. But this one is the RV version, which is the same hardware. They just charge you more and let you take it wherever you want.
You'd buy it again?
I've already bought it twice. I'd do it a third.
Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate that input. You take care.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your day.
And with the departure of the Starlink Curious, I had the island to myself, got a warming fire going in the fire pit, and wandered around for a while enjoying the solitude of being alone on an 800-acre island. Then, as a certain member of our aviation community would say, back to work. If I'm going to have dinner later, got to get the chicken marinating now. Our marinade consists of 1/3 cup of honey, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2/3 cup of soy sauce, and 2 entire cloves of minced garlic. I brought a garlic press on this trip, but I don't think I'll do it again. These things make a nice enough mince for sure, but are a major pain to clean without an abundance of fresh hot water and a brush. Next, clean up the chicken a little bit and cut into 2 or 2.5 inch cubes. Once the chicken has been cubed, it goes in the marinade for a few hours, making sure to massage the marinade in between all the pieces. Fast forward to dinner time, and we're going to take 3 different peppers and chop them into skewer-sized pieces. Finally, time to start cooking dinner, taking the skewers and alternating veggie and chicken. Had some veggies left over, so added those to their own skewer. Skewers go onto the fire. And turn occasionally so that all sides get cooked and browned. As always, pay attention to the smell of what you're cooking. You can smell when the chicken's getting ready to pull off and the veggies are done cooking. And then finally, the taste test. The chicken is absolutely perfect. The marinade created a great flavor throughout. The veggies were tender and sweet. The environment fantastic. And the solitude blissful. So thanks for sticking around till the end. I'll see you on the next one. And please do click that bell. YouTube tells me that makes a big difference. So I'm telling you that it makes a big difference. Until next time.